So this is day one here. I'm here with Matthew.
Hi.
This is where we had camped last night, and it is a beautiful place. We are up close to the roadhead, and
Breakfast.
this is where day one begins. We are close to the Laitlum Canyon, and I think it would look much bright and pretty once the day sort of proceeds. Now we slept at 1700 meters, and now we are just hiking down. We'll go down some 1000 meters, lose some elevation, and reach all the way to the base of the river. Super happy to experience the very first sunrise here in Meghalaya. Looks extremely beautiful. Yeah, it's a beautiful path to go down, and I can see Matthew walking there. In some less than 2 kilometers and we'll hit the hamlet of Raing Hill. Yeah, this house, the village has some very pretty some very pretty houses. It's very beautiful. It's like a little garden that every house has. So that was the beautiful hamlet, and you can see a lot of banana trees all around. And this trail is definitely going to take a toll on your feet. It's like a steep descent, more than 1000 meters in less than 4 kilometers. Here's a big banana farm here. Nice.
It really looks like jackfruit. I think it's jackfruit. I will check later, but it becomes bigger and it tastes a bit like meat. But it's a big fruit. And it grows in a primary forest. And you can tell that it's a primary forest because there's a lot of diversity of these plants that we haven't seen so far.
Yeah.
Very diverse, very dense.
So primary basically means it is still untouched.
Yeah, so if there was sacred forest, it would be a place like this. But I don't think this one is a sacred forest because we don't know about it. But there's a lot of diversity of trees, and it's really different. There's no disturbance, there's no invasive species. So this was probably never cut, never slashed, never burned. And then you can still find the original plants. Very nice.
I have a thick canopy on the top. To be able to walk through this path, I sort of feel blessed. First beautiful fruit on the trail, but it's quite raw as of now. We need to go to the riverbed and cross it. Trying to figure out the trail. So after losing the trail a couple of times, we are here at the riverbed finally. Such a beautiful place, the Umong riverbed, and I think they have made a little jacuzzi, natural jacuzzi, where you can nicely sit and have a shower. And it is absolutely clear. The water is so nice. Beautiful. Few sections of the trail have been either washed away or they are in this thick bamboo canopy that is, sort of difficult to figure out. So we're climbing up through this little trail here. But again, not at all easy, and I think this Survey of India path is not being used, or they have an alternative path for this section. But there were definitely people here. They've chopped down the trees. Yeah. And to clear things out, you can see that I'm exactly on the trail. I have to go through a ridge line here. You can see two valleys, and this is where we are climbing. It's some 1 kilometer before we get on a big path, which is nicely visible on the satellite. And it's all chaos down there. I see again near the house. See a nice trail. Let's see. A small functional lid, and there's water in there. Nice. I usually mark these small compounds as wilderness hut, but it depends from trail to trail.
Yeah.
So see, you can see a nice ladder made out of bamboo. So there are two bamboo shoots, and we have cut out these holes, and then this sort of a section would move in and out.
That's how they cut the trees.
Yeah, that's how they cut trees. They go up and chop. 11:30 a.m. and we are in this hamlet of Umong. There's some 1,000 meters in altitude. We'll see if we can grab some water, and then we have another 600 meter of ascent. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. And we have a big path. So there's already a road that goes up, but we saw a nice path that can take us up all the way. It's better to hike here and put it on the map. So this is the food that we had packed yesterday from the Laitlum village. It's healthy rice. It's less than 24 hours. It should be super nice to have. So time to eat something and climb up nice and slow. This last section, it's a steep path, but it's like a proper path. It will be just that you will be touching the road. Once in a while you'll have to walk some 10-15 steps on the road, but the sun is super harsh, and it's definitely not easy. Time is 1 p.m. Now since the morning we have done some 1100 meter of climb, and I think there's still another 200-300 left, and we have done some 1600 meter of descent. Hamlet up on the plateau is known as the Umong, and looking at the size of it, I feel that we'll definitely get some food and water provisions up there. And this big plateau is the Raing Hill, some 1900 meters in elevation. That's where we were for the night, on that ridge line. That's where the canyon viewpoint was, and then we got down to the first village of Shillong, and then we came all the way down into the valley, and now we have climbed up another 200 meters and we'll be at a similar altitude from where we started. So today we just went down one valley and then, you know, came up, crossing the beautiful river called Umong. One thing that is quite common is definitely the football grounds here. This is a big one. The small ones in the hamlets, this goalpost will be made out of bamboo.
So,
Do we get food here?
food
Food to eat
In the village?
in the village, shop or something. Beautiful place.
That's hungry.
Just came hiking. Is there
I
any
have
place
some-
where we can
I have some bananas if you want.
okay, but is there any shop in the village?
Yeah, no, like there's another village, no? There's a shop over there.
What is the name of the village? Can you tell us?
You don't have.
Here.
Yeah, it's nearby only, just 1 kilometer from here.
So these are the bananas directly from the farm. Oh man, I can smell it. It's so nice. Beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Your good name?
Badan.
Badon?
Yes.
Okay, nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mats.
We've done some 15 kilometers, 15.5. Time is 2:15 p.m. and now the aim is to walk on the road for some 1 kilometer. So super lucky. There's a small sort of a dhaba here. You can have food. Can I see the beef? Can I? How does it? Wow, very nice. Thank you. What is the name of the village?
Village Yorangham.
Yorahem?
Yorangham.
Yorangham.
Yo.
Yorangham. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so whenever we get the opportunity, we sort of quickly charge up the devices. So the food is here. It's non-veg.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So this is how this will get wrapped in a banana leaf, and then
Yes.
our dinner is done. Thank you so much. It was
Welcome.
very nice food, cooked on the fire, all sorted with the food.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, so that's where the Umong river is, and you see that little hillock, that would be our campsite for the night, and there's a nice trail there. The time is 4:30 p.m. so I think the sun would have set by the time we reach our campsite. Just like yesterday. Another beautiful sunset. Some very pretty colors. Nice and yellow. Hello. Hello. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, we started our day with a beautiful path and we are ending it with another beautiful path. Need to find a place to camp now. Lovely. Yeah, we couldn't have asked for more. It's a perfect end to the day. So beautiful. This is the little setup. There's a tent, and I usually am trying my best to sleep out with just a baby sack, but yeah, this is definitely not rain proof. Beautiful sunset, an amazing end to day one. Woo! Nice. So thanks to this season that the wood is super dry, so it's pretty easy to start a fire. Yeah. But you're okay with the village food thing, because I think
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
and there's no need to cook.
Oh yeah, I love it. It's perfect. The food's so good too.
Yeah. Woohoo! Oh man, this is so much fun and scary at the same time. Welcome to day 2.